Hi guys, I'm Vince Venture, and today I'm going to show you I kind of did something a little to my bike. Now, all I did was add a little minor add-ons, but I'm going to show you what it can do. So, I'm going to explain to you what I did, but warning, please do not try this at home. So what I did here was I got an empty water bottle and I taped it on the back of my bike. If you try it at the front, it won't sound as good. So I usually do it at the back. And I kind of just like taped it on right here with these two holes. And I also put it on the back of the water bottle. So then when you move the tire, it makes it go boom like that, like a water bottle. Motorcycle. So, pretty cool, right?